Hey, what's up, Speakerphiles? Wellington here, and with me is the Tronsmart Bang SE Bluetooth speaker. They sponsored this video for me to tell you all about the speaker and give you a high quality binaural sound sample so you guys know what to expect if you were to pick up one with the links which I have down in the description section down there. But first things first, some paperwork, an aux cable, a Type-C cable, and a shoulder strap is what you get in the box when you get the speaker. As far as design, this is what you get. We have a metal grill right at the front right there, two passive radiators on both sides, and then in the back there is not really much over there other than the I/O, which is sealed up under this watertight seal behind here. And speaking of I/O, we have a USB port, a USB-C port to recharge the speaker, and an aux input and a TF card reader to play music off of that in case you don't want to use Bluetooth or you don't have Bluetooth, which is pretty sweet that you get all those options as far as what you can use the speaker to play music from. We have a nice handle up on top for easy carrying, and if that's not enough, you also get a detachable carrying strap, which is really good. It's like it's designed to be easy to carry around, which is something that I appreciate. All your media control buttons are right here, as well as your stereo pairing and light button. The light button can turn the lights completely off or just cycle through different light effects depending on how you prefer your speaker to dance to music. I think it looks pretty good with those lights, but if you don't like them on, just turn them off just like that. As far as specs, the Bang SE is running Bluetooth 5.3, has a max power output of 40 watts, has a frequency response rating of 60 to 20 kilohertz. It has a playtime rating of up to 24 hours, but obviously this is usually depends on how loud you play your music and the kind of content that you are playing through it, or if you have the lights on. If you keep all that stuff down, the lights off, you can get up to 24 hours of playtime. But if you're gonna blast it, all the lights, heavy bass stuff, it probably will not last you that long. It has an IPX6 rating, which means if you're by the pool or by the lake, splashes will not be a problem. Has a built-in microphone for calls and supports most of the voice assistants, which is cool. It has a built-in power bank to recharge whatever USB device you would like to recharge for a little bit, if you're in a fix or something like that. But it also has true wireless stereo pairing, which means if you have two of them and you are looking for a bigger and better sound experience, you can pair them up, sync up, and they will play together in sync really easily, just like that. The buttons are right here, very easy to pair together, and they play together. I'll be giving you guys a high quality sound sample of that so you can hear how two of them sound connected together. I think it makes a huge difference. As you will hear, the two full range drivers are able to put out bright stereo sound with details in the highs, while the passive radiators help with those low frequencies to give out bass far better than what you would expect to get from a speaker this size. Anyways, enough of that. Here is the sound sample of the speaker. And since I have two, like I promised, I will be switching in between two of them playing together in stereo mode and just the one speaker so we can hear the difference it makes with the two speakers. Anyways, as usual, I will be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speaker speak.
You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through. And you never be a good lover. A good lover.
good tonight, yeah. From the back to the left to the right, yeah. All the girls looking hot, looking tight, yeah. Come on and move from the wall to the light, yeah. I don't know, baby, you didn't hurt me. Gonna lose it tonight, get no mercy. We're gonna turn it up crazy. We're gonna turn it up, turn it up.
Let me see your hands. 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 Let me see your hands.
Let me see your hands, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands, let me see your hands. Come around like you just don't care.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown.
And there you have it. You heard it for yourself. Now let me know what you think in the comment section down there. And if you have any more info that you would like to know about the speakers, I will leave the links in the description section down there for you to go dig more about the speaker, maybe just see if they have any on sale. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you to Tronsmart for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.